Z family. The Israeli Z family of vehicles, which includes the ZBR-ZD and Z-MAG, is designed specifically for high mobility ground forces that operate in extreme terrains. All models feature all-wheel drive and are built to handle diverse environments such as sand dunes, swamps, and rocky landscapes. The Z-MAG stands out for its exceptional off-road geometry, boasting a remarkable 90 degrees approach angle and a 48 degrees departure angle. It can ford water up to 80 cm deep and still accelerate beyond 120 km/h, combining agility with speed. Notably, Dakar Rally winner Edo Cohen contributed to its development, which explains its racing-inspired durability and performance. The ZBAR, particularly the Mk2 version, pushes performance even further with a 620 horsepower engine, enabling it to reach speeds of up to 200 km/h. Despite seating only 5 compared to the Z-MAG's 14, it excels in speed trials and has proven itself in deserts worldwide, even in extreme temperatures of 55 degrees C. NMS, Turkey's MMS vehicle, is another powerful contender in the off-road military segment, blending speed, adaptability, and durability. Equipped with all-wheel drive and independent suspension, it maintains stability and traction across difficult terrains. The NMS offers an impressive 42 cm of ground clearance and can ford water up to 90 cm deep, while overcoming obstacles as high as half a meter. Its run-flat tires ensure continued mobility even when completely deflated, a crucial advantage in combat situations. With a top speed of 140 km/h, it is not only rugged but also fast. The vehicle is highly versatile, available in multiple configurations ranging from air defense systems to anti-tank missile carriers. Its success is evident in international demand, with Estonia placing an order for 100 units shortly after its debut. Fuchs Evolution. Germany's Fuchs Evolution is an upgraded version of the long-serving Fuchs armored personnel carrier, which has been in operation since the late 1970s. Originally used for roles such as mine laying and nuclear reconnaissance, the vehicle has undergone significant modernization to remain operationally relevant. The Evolution variant features a new transmission system and a powerful 455 horsepower engine. On land, it can reach speeds of up to 100 km/h, while in water it travels at 10 km/h, highlighting its amphibious capabilities. It can ford water up to 1.5 meters deep and cross trenches measuring up to approximately 1.2 meters wide. The name Fox, meaning either fox or trickster in German, fittingly reflects the vehicle's adaptability and clever engineering, making it a reliable and flexible asset for the Bundeswehr. 2. The Belarusian MZKT 6922 chassis earned global attention for combining the strengths of both tracked and wheeled vehicles into a single highly capable platform. What makes it especially unique is its independent, high-drop pneumatic suspension system, specifically developed for this model. This advanced suspension allows the vehicle's ground clearance to be adjusted depending on terrain conditions, significantly improving mobility and adaptability. The MZT 6922 can ford water up to 1.2 meters deep and operate effectively across rough, uneven landscapes. Despite its heavy-duty capabilities, it consumes less fuel than comparable tracked vehicles, making it more efficient for long missions. With a massive 730-liter fuel tank, the vehicle can travel up to 1,000 kilometers without refueling, which is a major operational advantage in remote areas. Fairing Pioneer X. The Fairing Pioneer X represents a modern approach to military off-road engineering, combining hybrid technology with extreme terrain capability. This vehicle is powered by an onboard 60 kW unit that can run on multi-fuel or hydrogen, recharging its battery system and giving it an extraordinary operational range of up to 7,000 kilometers. Built with an ultra-light carbon chassis, the Pioneer X balances strength with reduced weight, enhancing both speed and efficiency. It features fully adjustable independent suspension, advanced spring systems, and an onboard tire inflation system to adapt to different terrains. Designed to operate equally well in deserts and Arctic tundra, it can even completely submerge underwater, showcasing its exceptional durability and environmental versatility. 6. FGACSV G5. Germany's FGACSV G5 armored combat support vehicle is designed to combine high mobility with exceptional payload capacity. Built on tracks and powered by a 625 horsepower engine, it performs reliably in challenging environments such as deep snow, sand, and swampy terrain. The vehicle can ford water up to 1-2 meters deep, maintaining operational effectiveness in wet conditions. One of its most impressive features is its payload capacity of 8 tons, which is considered the best in its weight class. This allows it to carry heavy equipment, additional armor, or mission-specific modules without sacrificing performance. The ACSV G5 demonstrates how modern engineering can balance strength, transport capacity, and off-road dominance in a single military platform. Christini AWD Military Edition motorcycles. The American company Christini adapted its AWD-45D and AWD-455D's motorcycles specifically for military, special forces, and law enforcement use under the Military Edition label. These bikes are engineered for extreme off-road mobility, featuring an advanced all-wheel drive system that provides superior traction on loose sand, mud, rocky paths, and steep trails, powered by engines producing 42 to 44 horsepower and paired with a 5-speed gearbox. The motorcycles deliver reliable performance, even when carrying a passenger or additional gear. Their lightweight and agile design allows them to access areas unreachable by larger vehicles or even pack animals. The Military Edition models also offer specialized options, such as infrared lighting for night operations and foam tire inserts to maintain mobility after punctures. Starting at $17,500, they provide a flexible and fast response mobility solution for tactical missions. The Velux ISV. The Velux ISV from the UAE is built on the dependable Toyota Hilux chassis, combining proven reliability with enhanced military functionality. Designed to increase infantry mobility, the vehicle is well suited for reconnaissance, patrol, and rapid response missions. It features selectable all-wheel drive and handles desert terrain with confidence, while also being capable of fording water up to 70 cm deep. Powered by a 148 horsepower engine delivering 400 Nm of torque, the Velux ISV performs effectively on steep inclines and rough terrain. Because it uses the widely available Hilux platform, maintenance and servicing are straightforward and convenient, making it both practical and cost-efficient for armed forces operating in demanding environments. Eagle. The Eagle, developed by an American corporation and widely used by countries such as Germany and the United Kingdom, has established itself as a reliable military transport vehicle. Available in both 4x4 and 6x6 configurations, it strikes an effective balance between compact dimensions and strong off-road performance. With 44 cm of ground clearance, the Eagle can climb slopes of up to 4-5 drive and overcome obstacles half a meter high. Its 360 horsepower engine, paired with a 5-speed automatic transmission, ensures steady performance in harsh conditions including mud, slushy snow, and uneven terrain. Its relatively compact size allows it to be airlifted, further increasing its operational flexibility and making it a popular choice for modern armed forces. DARPA Racer. The DARPA Racer program in the United States focuses on developing autonomous off-road vehicles capable of navigating rough terrain without human drivers. The initiative aims to push the boundaries of military-grade artificial intelligence and mobility systems by testing unmanned vehicles in extreme environments. These vehicles are equipped with advanced sensor arrays, including LiDAR, radar, and multiple cameras, allowing them to perceive their surroundings in all directions. So far, the program has gathered over 100 terabytes of data, with test vehicles covering more than 500 kilometers in challenging conditions. The ultimate objective is to create autonomous systems that can handle off-road terrain as effectively as, or even better than, experienced human drivers, potentially transforming future military logistics and reconnaissance missions. Fortress Mark II. France's Fortress Mark II is built to transport a full squad of 11 soldiers safely across demanding terrain. Powered by a 340 horsepower engine and paired with a 6-speed gearbox, the vehicle combines strength with smooth drivability. It features independent suspension and a central tire inflation system, enabling the driver to adapt tire pressure based on terrain conditions. The Fortress Mark II can reach speeds of up to 120 km/h and ford water obstacles up to 1 meter deep. Inside, it includes air conditioning, allowing soldiers in full combat gear to remain comfortable and rested before deployment. Its combination of mobility, comfort, and adaptability makes it well suited for extended off-road operations. BET-UMG. The BET-UMG is an American off-road vehicle built on the Ford F-550 chassis, designed for both military and law enforcement applications. Engineers prioritized simplicity and reliability by using a widely available commercial platform. The vehicle is powered by a 330 horsepower engine delivering an impressive 1017 Nm of torque, paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. With a ground clearance of approximately 36 cm, the BET-UMG can climb steep slopes, ford water up to 80 cm deep, and cross trenches about 85 cm wide. Despite its rugged construction, it reaches top speeds of up to 140 km/h. Its use of a common chassis ensures easier maintenance and access to spare parts, making it a practical yet powerful tactical vehicle. Scout AVX-8. Turkey's FNS Power Scout AVX-8 is a highly capable armored personnel carrier designed for superior off-road mobility and balanced performance. Its 8-wheel configuration ensures excellent traction and stability across loose sand, mud, and uneven ground. The vehicle can cross trenches up to 2 meters wide and overcome obstacles as high as 70 cm, demonstrating strong battlefield adaptability. Engineers carefully distributed the vehicle's weight almost evenly across all axles, which improves handling, braking performance, and control at higher speeds. With a top speed of 100 km/h and a central tire inflation system that allows drivers to adjust tire pressure according to terrain conditions. The Power Scout AVX-8 offers both power and precision in demanding environments. Wisent 2. The German Wisent 2 is an advanced armored engineering and recovery vehicle built on the chassis of the Leopard 2 main battle tank. Designed for heavy-duty support roles, it combines impressive strength with remarkable mobility. Its powerful winch can pull up to 40 tons, while its crane can lift loads of up to 32 tons, making it invaluable for battlefield recovery and engineering tasks. Despite carrying heavy equipment, the Wisent 2 maintains mobility comparable to the Leopard 2 itself, reaching speeds of up to 68 km/h. It can also fully submerge underwater and remain stable on steep slopes that would challenge many other armored vehicles. This combination of strength, stability, and adaptability positions it as one of the most advanced vehicles in its category. Suron Light BX. The Suron Light BX electric motorcycle, originally Chinese, made and tested by the Australian military, is a lightweight off-road vehicle designed for rapid and quiet mobility. Equipped with an 8 kW electric motor, it accelerates to 30 km in just 1.8 seconds, offering quick response in challenging terrain. Weighing only 57 kg when fully equipped, it is easy to maneuver and transport. The removable battery simplifies maintenance and helps when crossing water obstacles, while its 27 cm ground clearance enhances off-road capability. Its simple operation and lightweight design make it especially suitable for reconnaissance missions and for riders with varying levels of experience.